y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today you are back for a brand new restock with me video. I haven't posted one of these in probably a month, if not definitely close to there. I am really excited for this restock with me video, but I have no idea when I'm gonna post this. It's probably honestly gonna be after the actual restock itself because my godson is gonna be born any day now. So I don't know when the restock is gonna go up or the restock video or even this video. But by the time you're watching this, the restock is definitely out, okay? So yeah, don't forget to go ahead and check out the shop. It is www.unicornslime.com with 2 eyes in unicorn, and go snatch some slime. All right, y'all, we're gonna be kicking off with a jelly slime as we often do. So I have 2 gallons of Elmer's clear glue, draining into my bowl here. You can use whatever clear glue, you know, all of them work really. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of color. I think I'm gonna make this blue, to be honest. I want this to be a nice light blue, so I'm thinking like 2 drops, and that's it. We'll see. The lighting right now is so weird because of the sun. Sorry about that, but I am gonna be calling this slime Conversation Heart Jelly, I'm pretty sure. And I'm gonna scent it like candy. I don't know if I wanna do like Sour Patch or like a mixture of candies. I'm not too sure, we'll see. Yes, I am in love with this color, and it's gonna lighten a little bit as well because we're gonna be adding in some instant snow. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now I add about 16 ounces of dry, not dry, it's like a damp, like slightly wet snow. It's instant snow. I use Snow Wonder if you're wondering. So yeah, this is my first one because these are 8 ounces here. All right, and this is my second. And here's my third. I know I said 16 ounces, but I totally meant 24. I'm sorry, I can't do math. Now I just go ahead and mix this baby up until it's incorporated. Now to activate, I'm using a borax solution here. It is 1 tablespoon of borax to 1 cup of water. Alright, here's our Butamus jelly, fresh out of the mixer. Can't wait for this baby to clear up. It's gonna be so cute. I'm also gonna be adding a bunch of these neon hearts here because they kind of look like little conversation hearts. I think it's just gonna be cute to kind of complete the look. Just gonna grab a handful here. Alright, so I have some clear glue in the baby mixer here. I'm going to be making a red clear slime because it's actually going to be a bingsu slime. So it's just going to be a red clear base. I'm going to lightly scent it like strawberries, and it's going to be a red bingsu slime. I'm going to call it Strawberry Tangulu. I hope I'm saying that right. It's basically those little like strawberries that are covered in sugar, like a glaze. So yeah. Oh my god, look at this baby. Super nice and bright red. I love it. Okay, hello, I totally forgot that I was filming a restock with me video, and I'm making a slime right now that I didn't even show y'all. So this here is just a regular white school glue slime. However, it is a school glue thickie scented just like toasted marshmallow and cinnamon red hot candies. I honestly only did a gallon of this, but I'm feeling like I should actually make another one because it's so good. The scent is amazing and it's super, super thick. Let me tear a little piece out so I can show y'all how thick this baby is. Look at that. She ain't going nowhere. And it's nothing but school glue in here. Beautiful, just beautiful. And let me stretch it for y'all so you can see it's not overactivated. It's very nice and stretchy. It's just a school glue thickie. And we stand. So to walk you through the process of making a school glue thickie, since I didn't actually show you, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did. It's all in the activator, y'all. So what I do for school glue thickies is I just double the amount of activator that I would normally use in a slime, and I just activate the slime with that, and it makes it a lot more thick. It introduces less water into your slime, so it makes it less jiggly and a lot more thick. So the slime is gonna come with a packet of sprinkles. It's gonna have these rainbow Mickey sprinkles and then also rainbow heart sprinkles as well. And it's gonna look super cute. You get to add the sprinkles in yourself. All right, next slime. So I have school glue in my bowl here. I'm gonna be scenting this like saltwater taffy and cotton candy because this totally reminds me of a boardwalk. You can always find some saltwater taffy at the boardwalk and then also a place that's selling cotton candy. I mean, it is just inevitable. So I'm gonna be calling this one Boardwalk Date, or maybe Date Night at the Boardwalk. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, so I'm not sure what to color this. That's the only thing I don't know yet. I do have blue, purple, white, and pink heart sprinkles that I wanna add on this. So I'm thinking more along the lines of like a light purple, maybe a light pink, and this is gonna be either a semi-foam or a full foam. So that's pretty dope too. I'm gonna go in and add some lotion, my favorite part. Then we're gonna add in the saltwater taffy. It smells delicious. Next up, our cotton candy scent, which is equally as delicious. Alright, so I went ahead and decided to color it a purple, pinkish kind of color. I'm not sure what it's really coming out to y'all on camera, but it's like a really nice mixture of pink and purple. I can't really explain it. It's kind of like a blushy purple. I mean, that's really all I could say. So I added in 2 different colors of blue foam beads, just like this aqua and then like a true blue, and then I also added some lavender foam beads. I am also going to be adding in a bunch of white foam beads as well. Just wanted to add these in first so I don't make a huge mess. I guess this is gonna be a full flown. I'm not mad at it at all. It smells so good. Alright, this is going to be our last slime for the restock. We're going to be making a new slime called Shamrock Shake, obviously because St. Patrick's Day is coming up very soon. I know it's a little bit early, but I kind of like to be ahead of the holidays, you know what I'm saying? So, starting off with some school glue here, this is going to be a butter slushie. Alright, gotta grab my scent for this slime from a little scent wall here. So I'm actually going to blend the scent for Shamrock Shake because it's actually not a scent that's readily available, so I have to kind of make it on my own. For those of y'all who don't know, Shamrock Shake is a milkshake that is just chocolate mint, basically a chocolate mint milkshake. So I'm going to use peppermint patty, which is chocolate mint, also vanilla wafer because it's kind of like creamy, almost like vanilla ice cream scent, and then a little bit of Tahitian vanilla because it's like a sweet vanilla scent, so it's going to be perfect together. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add in that peppermint patty scent. This smells so good, it makes me want a York peppermint patty. Next, I'm adding in some Tahitian vanilla and then some vanilla wafer. Actually, whatever's left of the vanilla wafer. Alright, my scent is perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and activate the slime. I'm using my borax activator here, just squeezing it in while the mixer does its thing. Alright, so we have our base ready for Shamrock Shake. Now all I need to do is add the beads, and then once we get those mixed in, I can add in the clay. Alright, so I'm going to be adding in this many beads. I'm pretty sure I'm going to add all of it. It doesn't look like a lot, but the bag is huge, y'all. This is a lot. It's super heavy as well. So I'm just going to add this straight into the mixer and get it mixed. So I added most of it. I'm going to save just a little bit to see if we need to add a little more. Let's get this mixed up here. Alright, so I did end up adding in the last of these beads, so let's get those mixed in now, and then we have our base done, and it'll be ready for some clay. Alright, this is perfect. Now we just need to add in the clay. So, surprise, surprise, I'm going to be starting off with some Daiso clay. I'm actually going to be adding in 1 box of green first, and then some white clay. Just because I don't want it to be too green, I still want to keep it like a minty green color, and this is pretty vibrant. So I think 1 is going to be fine, and then the rest I'll just add white clay in so that we can lighten the color up if we need to. If not, then I'll just add more green clay. Alright, so I'm starting off with 6 bricks of Daiso clay. Again, I want to mention that Daiso clay has been drying out for some reason, so make sure, wherever you get it from, even if it's from the Daiso store, make sure you squeeze the edges just to make sure that the clay is still nice and soft, because if it is dried out, it will create lumps in your slime, and that is not fun. So just squeeze it, make sure it's all good, and let's mix it together. Okay, so I feel like it could be a little more buttery, so I'm adding in 1 more brick of Daiso clay, and then also a big chunk of the Happy Kawaii Supplies clay as well. It's just a soft clay, so I'm going to add that in as well. I do think it's going to take a little bit of the color away, and I think the color is perfect now, so I'm just going to add in a couple drops of green food coloring here. Just very little. Just because I don't want it to get too light, you know? Now we mix. Alright y'all, here it is. The final product. It's beautiful. Super buttery and crunchy at the same time. Smells delicious. So good. I'm obsessed. This actually might be one of my favorites in the restock, y'all. It's really nice and buttery. And it has like just the right amount of beads. Super, super nice. It's also going to be topped with some sprinkles, or they're going to be mixed in actually. These are like black, green, and white sprinkles to represent peppermint chocolate. So it's going to go in there as well. I'm actually going to do that for an Instagram video though, so you'll have to go to my Instagram at Uniicorn Slime Shop. Shameless promo if you want to see the little mixing video. But yeah. This baby is a beauty. Alrighty y'all, well that was pretty much it for this week's Restock With Me video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes are your favorite. There is a plane just zooming on by. Alright, in the comment section down below, let me know which of these slimes were your favorite, and also what do you plan on snatching from the restock. And that is pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye! That was awful.